Hi, this is Nick with the Jenkins Group powered by eXp Realty, and I want to update you on what's happening in the market. There's been some big changes over the last month that are really going to affect buyers and sellers. So I want to talk about exactly what that means, hopefully for your specific situation. Let's get right into it. First off, the big news is the interest rate. Of course, you might have seen that the economy had some kind of bad news at the beginning of August, but that actually led to good news in the mortgage interest rate. The rate has dropped by about 0.25% as I'm shooting this since that time, and it may drop even more by the time that you're watching this video. So keep an eye on that. It's going to mean more buyers able to come into the market and more affordability if you are a buyer. Even 0.25% on your interest rate makes a huge difference in your monthly payment. I mean, in our price point, it could be hundreds of dollars per month that you're saving because of that interest rate change. Now, looking at the statistics of the market over the last month or so, we had sort of a slow July. That news couldn't have come at a better time, as the rest of the market was looking a little bit cold over the last month. We had days on market at a much higher amount than they had been throughout the summer, with 21 days on average in King County and 19 days on average in Snohomish County. Those were up a few days in both of those counties, and so we're hoping that with this good news, maybe that will keep us from going higher into the days on market, so houses are not sitting as long, hopefully, going forward. But the market was kind of cooling off before this news came out. So we're going to keep an eye on that next month and see where things are at. But regardless, the days on market were up last month. And with that colder market that we had last month, we also saw that buyers were having a little bit more leverage to negotiate and get a better price for their home, where both King and Snohomish County on average were selling homes at above their listing price, meaning that buyers had very little leverage to negotiate. This last month we saw it dip back below 100%, where buyers are actually able to get a little bit of a price reduction. Still not much. The average price was 99.7% in King County and 99.3% in Snohomish County. So there still wasn't a ton of negotiation happening, but even just to see it below 100% means that buyers are probably getting better terms on their offer, as well as negotiating a little bit on price. Of course, the houses that were really desirable were probably still going for more, and the houses that maybe had a little bit less interest were still probably going for maybe 97, 96, 95% rather than 99. So there's definitely a give and take within that, but that was the average that we were seeing last month. Again, that's probably going to change with interest rates changing, the benefit of the more affordability. And sellers, we're hoping to see that you're going to get more activity on your listing, get more offers in hand as well. Overall, it's good news for both buyers and sellers. Buyers getting more affordability, sellers getting a better chance to sell their listings, and really good news for the market because it was starting to sputter a little bit early versus the normal September, October type of slowdown that you expect going into the winter. It was starting to kind of shake a little bit. So this is good news, I think, all around, and looking forward to see what it looks like over the next month or so. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to get into the specifics of your home, because every home is unique, feel free to reach out to me at the information below. Again, thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.